Hi and welcome to PCMD TV. That's my YouTube channel, and I appreciate you stopping by to take a look at these videos that I'm doing. And thank you for visiting my website, westpalmbeachcomputer.info, and that's with hyphens in between each of the words. I want to talk to you today about something that is long overdue to be talked about. I want to share with you some information that's going to help you and save you money immediately if you do what I suggest that you do. How many of us are paying for antivirus right now? When I'm speaking of paying for antivirus, I'm talking about programs like Kaspersky or Norton, McAfee, Avira, Trend Micro, any of those antivirus programs. And I'm referring to at your house, on your home computer. Now, if you're using any of these antivirus, I'm going to show you a way to take them off, number one. And number two, it's important for you to know that you are completely wasting your money by paying for these products. Just want to keep it real. I'm here to help you get the best and the most out of your computer, and I don't want to see you waste any more of your money. So we're going to touch on Kaspersky right now. So I'm going to walk you through how to take Kaspersky off your computer, and then I'm going to show you where to go and what to put on your computer that is absolutely free, that is much better. I do a lot of virus removal, and I always find customers' computers that have these products that I'm talking about, and they are loaded with viruses and rootkits and worms and everything else, completely loaded with them. So obviously these paid products are not working. I have very rarely come across the products that I'm about to share with you and suggest that you install in place of. I've very rarely come across computers that have those, that have virus problems. I use the ones I'm about to share with you myself, and I don't have any virus problems. Now we're going to go to google.com and download the Kaspersky Internet Security Removal Tool. And that's what we're going to type in to Google search. Kaspersky Internet Security Removal Tool. And you're going to see how evasive this program is, and this company is, that they don't want you to remove this product. They want to make it as difficult as they can. So you see here they have removal tool for Kaspersky Lab products, and this is all on their website. So we don't want to use that. We're going to go down here to where it says webtricks.com. It says updated removal tool for Kaspersky 2010. This is what we're looking for right here. And we scroll down and we'll see removal utility allows uninstalling the following products: Kaspersky Antivirus and Internet Security 2010, and Antivirus 6.0 for Windows workstations and Windows servers. And so down here what we're going to do is we're going to download the zip file, and then we're going to go and unzip that. And there it is. We're going to open it, and it's going to detect if you have, or what installation you have of Kaspersky. I don't have it on my computer, so it didn't detect it. But when it detects it, and it'll detect everything on there, then you click right here, remove. Okay? And then you're going to want to restart your computer. And then when you get back going, I'm going to show you a very good free antivirus. This is the one I use. And I have no problems with any viruses. So we're going to click for home, and you go here where it says free antivirus for home use. And we're going to click download. And you hit no thanks, I want the free protection. They'll sell it to you too if you're going to pay for it. Go here and download it. Save the file if you're in Firefox. And then you're going to open it and install that on your computer. Then you're going to want to register it. It'll give you a year free total protection. Now, obviously, it's not going to protect you from, like I said, running any executables or downloading any attachments from your mail. It will block most of them. However, those things, you are allowing them and giving them access to your computer, approving them to be installed in your computer. So, you know, your antivirus can only do so much to protect you against yourself. So there you have it. There's free antivirus for you. Like I said, don't spend another dime on paying for your antivirus, your Kaspersky antivirus, or any other antivirus for that matter. There are free antivirus out there that work much better, and they're much easier on your wallet. Well, I appreciate your time. Thanks for listening and watching. I hope you learned something. Give us a call if you need computer repair. 561-200-7864. We're happy for the opportunity to be of service to you, and come visit us at West Palm Beach computerrepair.info with the hyphens between each one of those words, or APCSLLC.com. That's A Plus Computer Solutions LLC.com. All right, be well. God bless.